This is Bell Helicopter's revolutionary high-speed tiltrotor aircraft, expertly combining the speed of a fixed-wing plane with the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter. Experience the future of aviation with Bell's groundbreaking tiltrotor. Meet the Bell Sprint. The Bell high-speed vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as the Sprint, is a groundbreaking design that combines the vertical lift capabilities of helicopters with the high-speed performance of jets. It achieves cruise speeds of over 400 knots, significantly faster than traditional helicopters. This speed and its advanced propulsion systems allow for seamless transitions between hovering and forward flight, ensuring optimal performance in various conditions. The Sprint is designed for a range of applications, particularly in military operations. It can operate from austere environments, conventional runways, short fields, or vertically from land, sea, or building tops, providing exceptional operational flexibility. The aircraft is scalable, with weights ranging from 4,000 pounds to over 100,000 pounds, making it suitable for various payloads and mission profiles. Its applications include personnel recovery, tactical mobility, special operations, and autonomous intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Technologically, the Sprint features a low downwash hover capability, which reduces rotor wash during hovering, enabling safer and more efficient operations in confined spaces. Its advanced digital flight control systems provide precise handling and stability, ensuring safe and reliable operations. The aircraft is also equipped with enhanced survivability features, including advanced propulsion and flight control systems that improve mission success rates. The Sprint utilizes a combination of tiltrotor engines and turbofans. The tiltrotor engines provide vertical lift, while the turbofans are used for high-speed forward flight. This dual-engine setup allows for efficient transitions between hover and cruise modes. The aircraft is designed for long-range missions, with an operational range extending up to 1,500 nautical miles, offering greater reach than conventional rotorcraft.